Hey guys, welcome back to my channel, and today I have had this hair in for 3 days and it is really taking me out. Like, I'm not used to like wearing my wig this long, so I have decided to commit to every day. Instead of me changing my wig, I'm just gonna have a new hairstyle. So let's get to it. Alright guys, so I'm going to go in and do some additional baby hair. Originally when I cut the baby hairs on my first look, I did not cut a lot because I wasn't going for dramatic baby hair. But today I'm going to do a little dramatic baby hair since I'm going to be doing an actual side ponytail slick back. So I want to capture some little dramatic hairs going across the front to give you a little 1-2 on the front and a little 3-4 on the back. If you notice, I'm making it very thin. I personally don't wear mine very thick, so I actually part it off thin and I razor cut it. You don't have to cut it really short, but a lot of times that does make it look as natural as possible, even though I'm still gonna go for a dramatic look. Now, I'm going to go in that actual part with my contouring makeup to make sure that it's giving absolute scalp. Okay, so I'm going to tie it down and let that makeup settle. I don't use a lot of makeup, guys. I don't pack makeup in there. I only use it for coloring, and that's very lightly. So I'm going to tie it down and proceed to style this look. Okay, so I'm going to take my water bottle because this is not going to be my last look. I don't want to use a lot of product. I don't want to use gels. I don't want to use anything heavy. This look is just a 1-day look. I may go 2 days. I'm really not sure, but I just want to use the water to slick the hair back, and I'll swoop it to the side. The water is going to lay this hair down. I prefer using water a lot of times, guys, when I'm molding. Sometimes I don't even break out the mousse. I'll just grab my water bottle and you'll be amazed at what just water will do on your extensions. Okay, so I don't know if you noticed, but I decided a middle part was going to look better with this look. It's giving a lot more chic and I'm with it. So I just went ahead with the middle part. So I'm going to swoop this to the side. I'm going to make sure I get my little kitchen in the back, baby, and lay it all the way and swoop it around as much as possible. And this is going to make it look as natural as possible because this is an actual machine wefted wig. So I'm actually making sure that I gather that hair together as tight as possible so I don't show any tracks in the back.
Hey, this 101? Hey, 101, draw now.
Okay, so I'm going to take a small piece. I'm going to wet it with the water bottle, and I'm going to use that hair to cover and conceal the black scrunchie. Okay, so here I am with these small flat irons, trying not to burn myself because this is very intense for me because I'm doing a lot of curling. If you notice, I'm flipping that hair up. Some people say flip it under, some people say flip up. I've done it both ways, and both ways work just fine. It's just a matter of whatever works best for you. So I like for it to have like a wispy look, a soft look. So that's why I like to flip it up, because I'm not going to wear it like plastered to my face if I was gonna do one of those, because sometimes I do. I usually only have like 2 little swoops, but here I'm gonna have several. So this is supposed to emulate like real like baby hair that naturally comes to the front. You probably seen it on people like Lori Harvey, like her hair naturally does that. So I want it to look as soft and natural as possible. I'm using hairspray when I swoop it around because I don't want it to be plastered. I'm not going for a hard, pasty look. I do sometimes, especially when I'm wearing curly hair, because I am in my Puerto Rican look, but not today. Okay, so I'm just using some hairspray just to swoop it around and give it a soft look, because I'm going to leave it, the ends will be kind of wispy and soft.
Hey, this one on one? Hey, 101. Draw now.
Okay, so get into these very, very pencil babyless wand irons. I'll make sure I tag everything in the description box so you can pick these up if you like this curl pattern that it's going to give, honey. It is like, I really love these. They curl really, really fast. They get really, really hot. You guys got to check these out and get them and add them to your collection.
Hey, this one on one? Hey, 101. Draw now.
Okay, guys, this is our end look. I hope you guys enjoyed this video, guys. Make sure you like, comment, and subscribe below. Make sure you let me know what you want to see next.